student, good morning to all. Today I am showing the experiment, that is determination of calcium and magnesium hardness of water sample separately. First, you take a conical flask and take 50 ml water. And first you take a conical flask and take 50 ml water. Then you add 1 cc. Then you add 1 cc buffer solution. Take buffer in a measuring cylinder. Just 1 cc buffer solution take and add to conical flask. Then you add EBT indicator. Then you add EBT indicator, that is Eriochrome black tea. Eriochrome black tea indicator. Wine red color comes. देखो fantastic wine red color comes. Wine red color comes, that is 3 to 4 drops indicator. 3 to 4 drops indicator. That is wine color comes. And then you titrate m by 100 EDTA solution in burette. M by 100 EDTA solution burette. Then you titrate slowly. Then you titrate slowly. The color change from wine red to blue violet. The color will be changed from wine red to blue violet. See here. See here, that is wine red. Still wine red, it becomes blue violet and titrate. See here, still wine red color. Still wine red color. Then again you titrate. See here, the color becomes blue violet. The color becomes blue violet. 1 or 2 drops is required. 1 or 2 drops is required. The color from change wine red to blue violet. Okay, the reading is nearly equal to 6 in burette. Reading nearly equal to 6. So a table, draw a table with 7 columns. First column you write number of drop, number of experiments. Second column you write volume of water sample. Third column you write Burette reading, that is initial and final. Fourth column you write volume of EDTA solution, that is the difference, initial, final minus initial. In fifth column you write mean volume of EDTA solution, and sixth column you write strength of Na2 EDTA solution. Its strength is 1.168. Eta supplied. That is, it first iteration you calculate total hardness of water. Total hardness of water. The first you take 50 ml water sample, then you add 1 ml buffer solution, and then you add 3 to 4 drops EBT indicator, and then titrate with in a M by 100 EDTA solution. The color becomes wine red to blue. The titration, the 3 readings will be taken. In this way, 3 readings will be taken, and draw a table with 7 columns where the reading you write. Then you calculate total hardness. In this table, from this table you calculate total hardness. That is 1000 ml 1 molar Na2 EDTA solution contains 100 gram calcium carbonate. That is XML 1.68 m by 100 EDTA solution contains কত gram calcium carbonate. X means that is mean volume of sodium thiosulfate. From table you calculate mean volume of sodium thiosulfate, that is X. In urinary method you calculate 1000 ml 1 molar calcium carbonate equivalent 100 gram, and that is XML. X means mean volume of Na2 EDTA solution from you taken from you the table, that is X mean volume of Na2 EDTA solution, that is XML 1.168 m in a EDTA solution কত, then X into that is calculation value হচ্ছে that is 104, that is X. Suppose you X mean value 4.66, suppose your value, তাহলে 4.66 into 1.168 into 0.01, that is m by 100, 0.01 divided by 10. Then calculation 50 ml water contains, 50 ml water contains, that is X into 1.668 into 10 to the power 2 by 5 in 10 to the power 5 ml contains কত, that is ppm. In 10 to the power 6 ml, 50 ml contains কত gram of calcium carbonate, and then you calculate 10 to the power 6 ml, that is ppm. 10 to the power 6 ml মানে কত গ্রাম ক্যালসিয়াম কার্বনেট, এইটা হলো টোটাল হার্ডনেস. Then suppose your color is from wine red to blue violet, fantastic color. Then second titration m by EDTA 100. Then you again, its reading is nearly equal to 5.9. Then again 3 titration will be taken from one experiment, and then another experiment is, that is calcium hardness. First experiment is total hardness, and second experiment is that is 0. Second titration for calcium hardness. Then you fill up the burette up to 0 level. In second titration, you take a conical flask and add 50 ml water, 50 ml water sample. Then you add that is 1 ml NaOH solution. Then you add 1 ml NaOH solution in second titration for calcium hardness. Then you add 1 ml NH solution and add 1 to 2 drops. It is Murexide indicator. When you calculate total hardness, you use EBT indicator, and when you calculate calcium hardness, indicator is Murexide indicator. 1 to 2 drops red color, fantastic red color. 1 to 2 drops Murexide indicator, fantastic red color appear. Then you titrate M by M100 Na2EDTA solution and titrate N by 100 EDTA solution. The color becomes red from to violet. This is red color. The color will be changed from red to blue violet. The red to violet, it color change from red to violet. Red to violet. A violet color appeared. The red color, first time you take red color, then you a violet color. 1 to 2 drops is required. 1 to 2 drops is required. Violet color appear. First you take wine red, then color change violet, blue violet, and then first second titration. In case of second titration, red color and it turns violet color. Then your reading is 2 point something. First time your reading is 5.6. Nearly equal to 5.9, your first reading for total hardness. Then 3 readings will be taken, and in case of calcium hardness, your reading is 2. Then 3 titration will be taken, and then a draw and 3 reading will be taken, and draw a table with 7 columns. First column you write number of experiment. Second column you write volume of water sample. Third column you write bullet reading, that is initial, final. Fourth column you write volume of Na2EDTA solution. Fifth column you write mean volume of Na2EDTA solution. It is denoted by Y. In first experiment I told you that mean volume of Na2EDTA solution is denoted by X, and second time mean volume of Na2EDTA solution is Y. Suppose your reading is 2.1 to 1.8 mean volume. Then experiment, then calculation will be for calcium hardness, for total hardness, X into 1.668 into 10 to the power 2 by 5 in first experiment, total hardness. And second experiment, you write Y into 1.668 into 10 to the power 2 by 5, that is ppm. We know how many water contains in 10 to the power 6 ml, that is ppm. So suppose your reading Y is 2.1. 2.1 into 1.168 into 10 to the power 2 by 5, that is your calcium hardness. That is total hardness and calcium hardness. Then you calculate magnesium hardness. Total hardness means calcium hardness plus magnesium hardness, and magnesium hardness equal to total hardness minus calcium hardness. And this is the process. This process you calculate the total hardness and separately magnesium and calcium hardness. This is the experiment, and today it is the experiment, and I am ending my lecture.